In a previous video, I showed how this transfer case out of a 96 4Runner Limited was not shifting into four-wheel drive because of this indicator switch that had failed. This should have had continuity once it was engaged into four-wheel drive, but the switch is not working. This time I'm going to show you how to test if the switch is working correctly. How do you test if the actuator is working? Now this actuator is similar to the e-locker actuator on the 3rd gen. There's a plug on the actuator that has 5 pins. I've made a simple schematic of the 5 pins, and you can test if it's working by plugging the 2 bottom pins into a 12-volt battery. Once you change the polarity of these 2 bottom pins, you can change it from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive, and this is the schematic of how that's done. Right now the transfer case is in 2-wheel drive. I can show that by spinning this output shaft, and you can see the shaft to the front is not spinning. I've marked this section in here with whiteout to show that it is in this current 2-wheel drive position. And I've put these clips here to show what happens when you change it to 4-wheel drive. So right now it's in 4-wheel drive. I just touch that to the negative lead. And if I spin it now, you can see that both spin. And if I want to change it back into 2-wheel drive, I'm going to change the polarity. And you can see now it's back in 2-wheel drive. So this is what you can do to, 1, test the actuator to see if it's working, and 2, change the polarity of the pin to switch it back to 2-wheel drive if it's stuck in 4-wheel drive.